Alright, John, say hi.
Hi.
Chill run on the dragon. Whoa, whoa. Oh, Don! I thought we were going chill!
This is chill. I'm not braking.
Oh! Woo! Damn. Oh. Welcome to the BRZ where there's more G's under braking than acceleration.
Got him! Got him!
Involuntary noises coming out of my mouth. Poo is coming out.
Poo is coming out.
Ah.
Dumbass.
At least I'm not driving.
Oh yeah.
Sick BMW, bro. Ah! Ho ho. Nice. Woo! Oh fuck. 4S has got a little hot on that one. Oh, damn. Watch out, Crow. Oh no, my water temp would be at 1,000 degrees.
Still reading halfway through the game.
Damn. Impressive. Huh, that's hearing your own echo. Whoa! I was like, oh, somebody's coming up behind us. No, it's just your echo off the trees.
They're in the tree!
Nope. Our first victim. To be fair, you just had a pretty damn good run, though.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Nice. Woo! Woohoo! Good shit, man. I gave them the whoa, 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 and he gave it back. Oh. Oh. Do what?
Being a champion passenger.
Oh, thanks, man. It's surprising now that you know the car. It's a lot easier to be a passenger with you having a little more seat time with it.
Yeah.
And
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
And nice. You're gonna have some funny footage, I tell you what. Seen from an angle you've never seen before. Maxing out second. I like it. No point in third though, because right here you gotta stab it and turn. Good old 15-miler. Woo! Oh, fuck yeah. You're pulling like 1.8, 1.9 G's there, my guy.
Took that at 40.
Holy fuck. Like 25 over the speed limit.
FBI, open up!
Which doesn't sound like much until you realize that the speed limit's 15. Oh, fuck. No! Okay, that's the first time you've put a little poo out.
Poo is coming out.
You're doing good with your hand placement.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
You're not moving them too much. I know we do it subconsciously sometimes. Yeah, this one will sneak up on you. Woo! Oh, here comes gravity cavity. Gravity cavity! Oh, yeah. Woo! Fucking roller coaster. Sick. Oh! Poo is coming out! You might have had a sip of mustard on that one, but we won't hold you to it. We can't tell from the inside. Sick S14. Woo! Yeah, when you have a clear run like this, you can hear the 4S's start to sing to you just a tad. Woo! Little understeer there. If you were running 2 degrees, you wouldn't have had understeer there. Nice power out. That gave it some good rotation there. That was smooth.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, hell yeah. Look at the sun coming through. Fucking, it's like a set of Corsa with good graphics.
So did you feel about heel towing to the grocery store?
Oh no, I'm jealous. I wish I could do it. I know. Oh yeah, that's a momentum car section right there. I can hold a candle to that speed through there. Hey, look at this. We got back up to him.
Why are you running? Why are you...
Oh, nice. Wave. Holy fuck, top of third? What is top of third?
75.
Damn. Yeah, increasing radius. Oh, taking some mayo. Later, nerd. I look down on him.
Vampires have laws.
Woo! Nice look through. Oh, fuck. That's about all I can do. Clear run takes a lot out of you. Oh! Oh, fuck.